Hello guys, welcome to our new video. With so many keyboards to pick from these days, it can be difficult to know what to look for when it comes to choosing your next best gaming keyboard. One way to narrow things down is to question yourself whether you'd like a mechanical gaming keyboard or a layer one. The best mechanical gaming keyboards tend to be quite loud and expensive, but they're generally more enduring and come with a lot more features than your typical membrane keyboard. In this video, we're going to show you some of the creme products that are available on the market. Check the description below for more information and the prices. Game all day and all night long with the K70 Luxe RGB mechanical keyboard of Corsair. This keyboard is built from aircraft-grade anodized brushed aluminum and highlights Cherry MX RGB brown switches, which have a clear base that gives the RGB LED lighting to shine through to make the colors pop. Blended with Corsair Utility Engine (CUE) software that allows you to adjust brightness, speed, patterns, and more, you'll have access to an extensive amount of customization possibilities. Additionally, each key is independently programmable and supports macro functionality, so you can register it to do all the hard work for you. The K70 Luxe RGB comes equipped with FPS and MOBA keycaps as well as a detachable soft-touch wrist rest for exceptional comfort. The keycaps are textured and molded to provide maximum grip during intensive gaming sessions, while anti-ghosting and full end key rollover ensures that it won't miss a beat. The retro classic BT wireless backlit mechanical keyboard of Azio is a modern take on a vintage typewriter. With wireless Bluetooth and wired USB Type-C connectivity, it's cooperative with a wide variety of systems, and it can be used anywhere you require it. It's created with Calic keys that have tactile and audio feedback as well as LED backlighting, which enables you to type in dimly lit and dark environments. For wireless use, it comes equipped with a 6000 mAh battery that can serve up to 2 months with the backlight or a year without it. Finally, the Retro Classic is agreeable with both Windows and Mac systems and comes with an extra set of Mac function keycaps. This is the perfect amalgam of past, present, and future. Alienware's Pro Gaming Keyboard presents an uncompromised gaming adventure. Fusing highly customizable controls and advanced software with iconic design, the mechanical keyboard highlights Alien FX with 13 RGB lighting zones, 15 programmable macro key functions, and onboard memory. This design delivers an added layer of imposing style with a zone-based Alien FX RGB backlight that adds an uncanny glow to your keys. Alien FX is produced to bring you closer to the worlds you play in with powerful lighting effects tied straight to the in-game action. Alienware's flagship keyboard not only sports an extraordinary design and RGB LED lighting system, but also presents a premium experience for both typing and gaming. Blending highly customizable controls and sophisticated software with iconic form, the mechanical keyboard highlights Alien FX with 13 RGB lighting zones, 15 programmable macro key functions, dedicated volume roller, and onboard memory. As its name suggests, the X50Q Smart Mechanical Gaming Keyboard of Das Keyboard is a cloud-connected device produced to enhance your productivity. With the Q software, you'll be ready to customize its RGB lighting as well as build your own color-coded, notification-based alerts that are displayed right on the keyboard, holding up to 16.8 million colors. This indicates that instead of checking your phone for social media alerts, weather updates, stock status, and more, you can just look down at your keyboard. Aside from these smart characteristics, the X50Q is created with Omron Gamma Zulu switches, which present you with a soft, tactile typing experience. Included with this keyboard are a soft-touch wrist rest, a WASD keycap set, and a keycap puller.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.